Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add auto caption on Capcut. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, go to Capcut.com and click on Create New from the left. Here, select size of your video. Select the dimensions you need, like 9 by 16 for platforms like YouTube or TikTok. Then locate the file you want to work on and upload it. If your file is large, you might need to sign up for a free account to edit it, as Capcut has limitations on file size for non-account users. You can also click on Upload. From the left, add your file. Now, you can play your video and see it. Adjust your video on screen. For captions, go to the Captions option on the left. You will see options to manually add captions, or you can upload a caption file, but choose Auto Captions. Select the language used in the video and click on Generate. Capcut will then generate the captions. The captions are generally accurate, but you can edit them individually. Each orange bar on the timeline represents a caption. If the first caption is hidden, click on it in the timeline to reveal it. Moving the first caption will move all the subsequent ones as well, which is handy. You can also customize the caption's appearance by changing text presets and basic text properties. Once you're satisfied with the captions, click Export and download your video. It will include the captions. That's how you can easily add auto captions on Capcut. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.